What's up everyone, just a quick video on another node project that I've come across. Wanted to share with you guys quickly. Yeah, it's just going to be a quick video because there isn't too much information. They've got a website but they haven't got anything on it. The white paper isn't even ready. They've got a Discord community and the Twitter is live, but yeah, there's not any information yet. So it's just an early one, just to get it, just to bring some awareness to you guys. You can get in early and get yourself a whitelist spot and watch how this project evolves. So as you can see, it's going to be a DAS node project on the Cronos chain. So far, node projects on the Cronos chain have been very successful. So let's hope this one can be as well. It's already up to nearly 1,000 people on Twitter, and the Discord community is over 1,000 people strong. The whitelist is currently open, and there is ways to win whitelist. That's why I wanted to quickly make this video for you guys and get the information out there. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Not too much information. They haven't even got the white paper out, so I can't really speak too much about that at the minute. So they're saying in terms of security, the contract will be audited by several contract auditing organisations, and the team will be doxed. So there you go. So there's some security to it. It's going to say that when they launch, they will be available to buy on various decentralized exchanges on the Cronos blockchain. It's specifying just one specific one. And yeah, so pretty much that's all the information I've got so far. So I'll put all the links to the community, the Discord, the Twitter, the website, all that kind of stuff in the description of the video, and you guys can check it out and stay up to date with the project. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.